Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
We're still waiting on the rain, and many of us are waiting on just that first drop. Day after day, we've had these little pop-up showers and thunderstorms. It's been a case of the haves and the have-nots. Most of you have not seen beneficial rainfall. Those that have received the rain have been getting those collapsing thunderstorms with the very drenching downpours, very heavy rain and gusty winds, which we saw yesterday. And we're seeing a little bit of development today. It's just getting late and starting here. But as you can see on radar, we're beginning to see some activity starting to pop up now as we get a little bit more heat induced into these already moisture-laden little outflow boundaries, and of course the atmosphere is just chocked full of available moisture. So we haven't had a whole lot of triggers here, but now that we're heating up to 80 degrees, we're starting to see these little isolated showers popping up, and more organized rainfall has been with folks to the northwest of us pretty much all morning long along the Ohio River, but none of that has materialized here in southern Kentucky yet. But as my grandpa used to say, the day ain't over yet. So we'll give it a little bit more time, and as that front starts to close in on the area, I think our rain chances will go up maybe a little later than anticipated here, but certainly it's still in the forecast. In fact, rain chances here over the next 7 days, we're going to keep that 70% chance that you'll see rain before the day is done, and I mean before midnight. We're still looking at that 70% chance of rain this afternoon and this evening. That will go to near zero tomorrow as mostly sunny skies return. We get a little break from any kind of shower activity, but as we get on into the latter part of the week and into the weekend, we're going to keep in at least a 30 to 40% chance that somebody somewhere in our viewing area could pick up some scattered showers and storms, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours, is pretty typical for this time of the year. Temperatures, depending on the amount of cloud cover, where you're seeing a little bit more sunshine, then you get a temperature like 82 in Burkesville, mix of sun and clouds there. But where you see a little bit more in the way of cloud cover, it's more into the 70s, like 79 in Munfordville and 77 in Glasgow. Occasionally, the sun will come out, heat us up into the low 80s, but overall, it's upper 70s and low 80s, much cooler than yesterday and in previous days. And there, though, are the dew points still running high in the upper 60s and low 70s. Plenty of available moisture to work with, and even a bit of a wind now. Breezy conditions out of the southwest at 15 to 20, almost 25 miles per hour. So it may be breezy as we get on into the afternoon, along with the clouds that are over the area, and then that chance of showers moving in as we go through the latter part of the day. 80 degrees right now in Bowling Green with a south wind at 10 miles per hour and a falling barometer. We check a few weather cams, and the skies are looking dark. Over Russellville, you're at 78 from our AAA Systems weather cam. Greenville, your sky back to the west and southwest starting to look a little dark now. 81 is your temperature. 77 in Glasgow with a mix of sun and clouds there, but mostly overcast in Barron County. Then we go to Metcalfe County and Edmonton. You're at 78 degrees. Looks like any place anywhere in our viewing area could see a shower just about any time. 80 degrees right now at the Bowling Green Airport, and that is running about 10 degrees cooler than at this hour yesterday. Those clouds really doing a good job keeping the temperatures down just a bit. We haven't seen much development here just yet, but we have those old outflow boundaries and then the front that's still back here to the west of us. As soon as that front picks up on the available moisture, I think then the rains will start to kick in earnest. Now, again, not everybody's going to get a good soaking rainfall. A few places will, others will still be moisture starved as we're running a bit behind on where we should be on rainfall for this time of the year. Then the front will come on through early tomorrow morning, put an end to the showers, and then things look pretty nice here for tomorrow. And then we'll see a series of disturbances coming back in toward Thursday into Friday. You see one there out of the plains that will roll in and maybe give us another chance for, say, a late day shower or two. Showers and thunderstorms are going to become more likely later today than first anticipated. 86 today, may not make it that warm. 68 tonight with occasional showers and a few thunderstorms. Some heavy rain is possible. 85 on Wednesday and mostly sunny. And then that daily chance of a shower or thunderstorm each day all the way through Monday. Highs will come back into the upper 80s to low 90s at the end of the weekend. Don't forget, on Thursday, 2 to 4 p.m., our next on-the-road event will be at the Walgreens on the 31W bypass here in Bowling Green. Get your NOAA weather radio from Midland. Come see the 2014 GMC Terrain that we're giving away, and then buy your $100 Dream Home ticket for the St. Jude Dream Home. Of course, all the money and everything goes to the kids of St. Jude. We'll be back with more Midday Live in just a minute.